Well, hey everybody, 650 here. Welcome home to the channel. As you can see, it's a gorgeous day here in filthy Cleveland, and so I brought out my 2023 Moto Million M1000RR, and in this video, I'm going to ride it with my good buddy Art is Fast, and perhaps teach him another lesson he won't soon forget. When the sunlight hits this motorcycle, it is nothing short of amazing. And of course, this is not a stock M1000RR. This Moto Million fully spec'd out machine is absolutely gorgeous. You can see it right now. It is just a beautiful, beautiful bike. All of the prototype bolts on it are blue, the titanium aero, full exhaust system, Brembo brakes, front and rear, those gorgeous calipers, the amazing RCS Corsa Corta 17, Rizoma reservoir, just lots of stuff. Every time I go over this bike, I kind of notice new features that I missed. I mean, look at this carbon fiber fuel tank, guys. That's not a wrap, that's full carbon fiber, and it blends in really nicely with the OEM BMW Motorrad carbon fiber on the bike. The subframe, also carbon fiber. We have the BMW stickers on the bike, and it's clear coated over, so nothing's ever gonna really rub those off. We even put competition on there to make it mimic the OEM plastic subframe, but just a gorgeous machine. Love the fact that this bike came with an underslung caliper. That looks amazing. The rear sets from BMW Motorrad are outstanding, adjustable in 1,000 ways, but we can't overlook the full lean suspension on this bike. That is just absolutely brilliant. And of course, it has Öhlins front forks. You can see it peeking through right there. Yeah, these hatchets, as we call them, sort of hide the forks, but you can still see it. And this bike came with carbon fiber wheels from the factory, and they look outstanding. We didn't even glance at the other side of this bike that's not in the sunlight. It looks great too. Yes, my M1000 is really a beautiful and amazing machine, but are you guys like me getting super annoyed by the extreme amount of spam and robocalls I get to my cell phone? Well, that's why I'm using the sponsor of today's video, Incogni, to help protect me from that. And we need Incogni's protection because in this digital world, our personal information is being collected, stored, and shared by scammers and data brokers without our knowledge. And that's because our personal information is out there, and in the wrong hands, a data broker or scammer can wreak havoc on our lives. As I mentioned, I used to get tons of spam and robocalls until I started using Incogni, because they take care of the hard work for you, automatically submitting requests to remove your personal information from hundreds of data brokers. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your personal data is safe after using Incogni. So take back your privacy and data by using Incogni. Browse to incogni.com/650 and get 60% off the annual plan plus 4 extra months on top of the yearly subscription. All right, let's face Art is Fast like a man. It is about a 2-hour ride from my house to where Art is Fast is at, and it's mainly highway, but I enjoy highway riding. I also enjoy riding on the back roads and canyon carving and all that too, and of course track days. But this M1000RR, especially with the S1000RR seat, is so comfortable for cruising, especially at my size, that I enjoy it quite a bit. Sometimes I like to just cruise, and not really do excessive speed on the highway. You know, just take it in and enjoy the scenery. now's a good time to do that before all those trees are full of leaves. Okay, so there's a few cars out. A couple beautiful GT3 RSs and a C8 Z06. Right here. What's up, buddy? It looks much better in the sunlight. Sunlight.
This is something I would personally like.
I figured you would. I figured you would. How you doing, man?
Yeah,
what's up?
What happened? That fuse on the battery?
Yeah.
Blew up somehow. I don't think
no way.
we flew here.
Did it blow off like the last time I raced you and my H2 blew it off? Or
Yeah.
What's up, man? What's up, buddy? All right.
Hugh is now upset, man.
He's upset?
Yeah, because he wanted to see the. But here's the thing. I got a gift for you, man.
Yes.
I got this Vette Twin Turbo.
Wow.
30 horsepower, man. You
Oh,
do it?
only you, Art. I mean, never cease to amaze me. Jeez. Don't tell me that's going to be a giveaway car, because that's just too sick for a person.
No, man. Never know.
Wow.
Dude, next, who knows? I could race you on this one, but it's amazing.
Woo!
So
Look at this.
I don't think I can shift fast enough.
This is beautiful. Okay, guys, I don't know if you've ever seen a current model GT3 RS spec'd out like this one is. Look at all this gorgeous carbon fiber. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Love the blue accents. I think this is like a chalk or milk color, but the blue accent. Yeah, center lock wheels with the yellow calipers. Beautiful interior with the yellow beautiful seat belts. Gorgeous spec, yellow stitching. Carbon fiber roof. Beautiful wing with the WiSec package. Hey, everybody's putting their cameras on. My good buddy here that I just met has a gorgeous Z06 with the carbon. Yeah. Hardtop convertible. And yeah, we talked about Art's Twin Turbo Stingray. Sissio Performance. I've worked with those guys before. They're really cool. And Art actually expects me to race him today on my M1000RR and win against a Twin Turbo C8. I don't know about that, guys. I really don't. I think it's going to be very tough. Inside the garage, you've got Art's GT3 RS. A lot different than the one we just saw in the driveway. Not as much carbon fiber. It does have a carbon wing. No WiSec package. Has the carbon roof, which means they probably come with the carbon roof. And it does have a carbon front, frunk, or whatever you want to call this, air intake area. It just has some paint applied to it. Center lock wheels for him also. Black calipers. You've all seen the bike that I've destroyed many times. His Nissan Sentra Type GTR is my running joke for that. It's having some issues today. A blown fuse. So it won't be out to spank. And then his Supra that I already blew the hood off of it. Yeah. But everyone's getting ready and we're gonna head out here and try to do some stuff on these filthy streets. That's one word, but it's so windy today. When I take off, I am literally getting blown all over the road. He wants 70 mile per hour takeoff. We know what Art does. He's going to come blazing by me and say it was a race. Guys, I actually thought that Twin Turbo Corvette would actually win today, but it's not putting up any sort of fight whatsoever. So now I want a taste of those Porsche GT3 RS. Are making me feel good today with these victories. Oh man, good race. Beautiful car, just beautiful, just really exceptionally beautiful. Oh man, all right, enough playing around with the cars. Let's just admire how beautiful they are and how amazing they sound, because today is not the day for them to try to race me on the M1000RR. Amazing!
Man, I be one.
Finally, I got you clean. No cheating, no jumping, no nothing, right? Yeah.
That was good race, man.
Thank you, buddy.
As always, you came far away. Now, man.
Yes.
Now we'll redo it with the Supra.
Yes, I want that Supra.
I never even raced it before. This is my first time.
Mm-hmm. Why was it cutting off at the lights?
Something happened, man. It's just like it cuts off the booster and just falls on its nose.
Wow.
And then it just died at the stoplight twice.
Yeah,
I don't know. It's not a workhorse performance, that's why.
That's why. Always got to get that plug in, right? Yeah, those guys are cool. They don't like me very much for the beatings I've administered, but they do excellent work with their cars.
Man, they just take everything very serious.
Yes,
man. I tell them, man, it's all fun. They're
it's
like,
social
man,
meyour. It's just fun.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't think they're mad or anything.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
But man, it was a very cool run. How was your ride?
His GT3 RS is awesome, man. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Man, that exhaust sounds like crazy, man. We're behind you.
Yeah,
like,
on the bike. Yeah. Oh, you got the fast speed on your GT3? Nice.
Yeah,
wow.
My GT3 have no exhaust. It's stuck.
Wow.
It's stuck. So
I'm gonna have to go check that out in a second.
But I'm waiting for exhaust to come, so I'm getting Gentani for it.
Nice.
So
I heard of that. Yeah.
To see the difference.
Yeah.
And there's several others up in Cleveland. There's two different ones that have the. Sorry guys.
Rentec?
No. Dundon. There's
Okay.
two different Dundons.
Oh,
up there,
Dundon is
Dragpipe
like the
and
most
the
expensive
silencer.
one. Really?
And then there's
Wow.
another one I never heard of called Brook.
Yeah.
I heard of Brooks, they've been crazy.
Yeah.
Man, I went to look for
So-
that Dundon, man, it's like 25 grand.
Whoa!
Gintani was 14 grand.
Yeah. First
14
cars
or
are coffee
13.5.
at Eastwood.
Uh-huh.
Trying to get everybody together so we can see how they all sound.
When is that? When is it?
They haven't announced a date yet,
Okay,
but
okay.
when they do,
Keep me informed. Please text me. Let me know.
Yeah.
I want to be there. Awesome.
How did GT3 RS do against EO6?
well, these tires, we looked at them. They're
The
oily.
cup tire. Oh, the oily.
Yeah, so you spun
I
out?
can't get no traction.
Yeah.
Wow,
As soon as I shift,
Yeah, it didn't
I
make
get back
sense.
into it.
What's
Wow.
the power on the EO6?
It's just 980.
Wow. Oh, that dumpster's going crazy over there. I'm going to step over here and take a look at these beautiful beasts. Yeah, he said the tires here get no traction. Those Cup 2 tires, man, they are like seriously track tires. But you can hear all the crazy wind, guys. Like I told you when I was racing these guys, the wind was like blowing me sideways. Like it's blowing that damn dumpster like crazy. Almost tornado force winds right now. Look at that dumpster. Insane. So yeah, just a teaser for you guys. M1000RR versus Twin Turbo C8 Stingray, Z06 and GT3 RS, and of course the motorcycle is victorious. Thanks for viewing, guys. We'll catch you next time on the 650 YouTube channel. Stay tuned for round 2. M1000RR versus Art's Built Motor Supra. Stay tuned.